10. Best cold email. Software, automated cold outreach, AI-driven, AnyBiz. Discover the top 10 cold email software tools driven by AI to supercharge your outreach campaigns. These tools can transform your business by reaching potential clients you haven't met yet, making your efforts more efficient. Cold email software is indispensable in today's fast-paced digital world. It automates the process of reaching thousands of prospects in minutes, saving you from the tedious task of manual outreach and ensuring higher accuracy. Top 10 AI cold email software solutions. 1. AnyBiz.io. AnyBiz is an AI-driven platform that automates B2B lead generation, acting as a 24/7 digital sales team. It personalizes outreach, engages across multiple channels, and optimizes strategies using AI. Ideal for companies looking to scale quickly, AnyBiz integrates with CRM systems and boosts brand awareness through social media. While powerful, it may require some setup and might not be ideal for very small businesses. Users love its AI sales agents and multi-channel engagement, though some find setup challenging. Despite this, it's a top choice for scaling businesses, with a 7-day free trial to explore its features. 2. Saleshandy enhances sales productivity with email tracking, lead management, and file sharing, making it ideal for small to medium businesses. While praised for integration with Gmail and Outlook, users report technical issues, overcharging, and security concerns. 3. SmartLead automates cold emails, boosting deliverability and multi-channel outreach. It's ideal for businesses needing robust email campaigns and CRM integration. Users appreciate its effectiveness but mention a learning curve and occasional issues. Overall, it's a strong tool for email marketing. 4. QuickMail automates cold emails with features like drip campaigns and follow-ups. It's great for small to medium businesses, offering strong deliverability and detailed analytics. However, it has a steep learning curve and limited CRM integrations. 5. Woodpecker automates B2B cold email outreach with features like follow-ups, CRM integration, and email tracking. It's ideal for businesses needing robust automation and analytics. Users appreciate its tracking and integration, but mention issues with the interface, support, and multi-channel capabilities. 6. Instantly is a cold email tool for automating and optimizing outreach. It supports unlimited email accounts, offers detailed analytics, and includes automation and CRM features. Ideal for B2B sales teams, it provides high engagement rates and strong support, but faces criticism for its pricing, complex interface, and occasional technical issues. 7. Mailshake automates cold email outreach and integrates with CRMs. It excels in follow-up automation and real-time tracking. Best for sales teams, it offers strong features but has issues with interface integration, custom tracking, and higher pricing. Users like its support and ease of use, though there are concerns about cost and bugs. 8. Reply.io automates multi-channel outreach with AI-driven features for email, phone, and social media. It offers strong integration and tracking, but can be complex and pricey, with some users noting integration and stability issues. 9. Outreach enhances sales productivity by integrating email, phone, and social media into one platform with AI-powered analytics and automation. It's ideal for enterprise sales teams, but noted for its complexity, high pricing, and variable customer support. 10. Drip is an e-commerce CRM for B2C retailers, specializing in email automation and advanced segmentation. It integrates with Shopify and WooCommerce and offers strong analytics. Users find the template options limited and the interface confusing, though support is generally responsive. Select a cold email tool that scales, ensures deliverability, and uses AI for customization. AnyBiz excels with AI-driven lead generation. Future cold outreach will see AI enhancing personalization and automation. Choose wisely and view each email as a chance for connection. Thanks for tuning in. Discover AnyBiz.io and subscribe for updates on our latest tools and insights.